Hello everyone! Let me share with you the different hands-on activities we did for letter W. We both love this activity because it is hands-on and develops her logic and language skills. This activity aims to reinforce your child's ability to count properly.
What's next to number 6?
Let's listen to Kyla as she did the activity.
What's next to number 6? Are you sure? 10?
The nice thing about homeschooling is that instruction is individualized and you'll be able to give feedback once your child needs help.
And then 6 or no?
7.
Yeah, correct. And then what's next to 7? You count that one more time so you will know the answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And then 6,
6, 7, 8.
Yeah, well done. And then, what's next to 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
And then, what's next?
9.
Wall. Wall.
To develop her language and phonemic awareness, we got this picture match activity. Her hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills are being addressed in this cutting and pasting activity. Here are the different arts and crafts activities we did. I'm not very particular on how neat or not she colors. What is important is she finishes and enjoys the work. Next activity is Wild Animals Puzzle to develop her logic. I like hands-on activities that makes the child focused and engaged, like this one.
Dog boy.
Oh, what's next to the boy? Yeah, well done. And what's next to the dog? Yeah, okay, go ahead and paste it. Use the glue stick.
All the free printables are linked down below on the description box, so go ahead and check it out. That's it everyone, thanks for watching and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!